So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound, and most of you are asking that when you will be getting the insider email. We have subscribed to the arcade, we have filled all the form whatever you have said, but we have not received the arcade insider email. In this video we'll talk about this topic, and also for the people who are wondering, can you start now and earn arcade points and get the swags or not? So make sure to subscribe the channel and like the video. So the update is that regarding the arcade insider, that the arcade insider emails are scheduled to March. Yes. So whatever points you have earned, for example, you have earned all the badges, means you have completed all these badges in January itself and in February itself, and you are waiting for the insider email, as the previous insider email was to be out in 12th of February. You must have seen in previous cohort if you have participated in it, but no one has received the email. Okay. Due to some technical glitches and some technical upgrades, they have been delayed the insider email. Now the insider email will be coming in March first week. So you can expect by first week, mostly by 12th of March, okay, everyone will get the mail. Okay, everyone will be getting the arcade insider email. Now in the arcade insider email, all your details will be there, like how much points you have earned. For example, here you can see you are seeing these points. Most of you are facing issue in counting. So in the arcade insider email, it will contain all the points whatever you have earned. Let me show you a previous insider email demo. So let me show you. So this is the mail. It is of 2025. Okay, let me clear it. This is a sample email. Like this, you'll be getting an email which will contain the points. So here you can see I have earned 11 arcade points previously. So they have mentioned that you have earned 11 arcade points. Okay. And it contains the duration. So here, first of all, you need to understand what is arcade insider email. Most of you are new also. So it's just like a monthly statement. Just like you have a bank account, or maybe you have another accounts also, where you get monthly updates. For example, monthly record updates, a monthly statement including how much points you have, you'll be getting it. In simple words, if you want to understand, it's better with banking, that you get a monthly balance update, that how much balance is remaining on your account, how much transactions you have done. So like this, it's a monthly statement. In an analogy I'm using it, so it will contain all the points which you have earned. In simple words, whatever points you have earned by completing the badges in the arcade program, it will contain all the details, but that too within a duration. For example, you can say this progress reflects from 8th of January till 31st of January, right? So it will contain the badges which you have earned from 8th of January till 31st of January. And if you see that you have earned some of the badges in February, it won't be listed over here as per this email. But the update is that now they'll be sending you March Insider. Okay. In March Insider, whatever points you have earned, you started in January, whatever points you have earned from January till February. Okay. Till February, that is till 28th of February. All the points will be listed over here. It will be mostly 26. Okay. It will be mostly 26, including all the games which are listed over here, because in this month we had some special games also, right? So it will contain all the points which you have earned from January to February. Okay, so you need to just be careful, and if you face any issue, you can let me in the comment section. Now coming over here to the new game, which most of you are having doubt. Okay, these games have been expired for the February month. In March month, fresh set of games will be live. Now most of you are having confusion regarding the Journey Made Easy game. So you have to avoid this game if you have not completed it in January. See, if you have completed this work meet play badge in January, you must have completed in February also. Okay, then you have to continue the entire series from January to June. Okay, from January to June, you have to continue all the series. And if you miss any of the badges, means if you miss in February also, like you completed the January game, but you missed due to lab limits or due to deadlines in February month, then you won't be getting the points for this game. For other games, whatever points are listed over here, you'll be getting 100% sure. Despite of not completing in January or you completing in February, this does not matter, because they have clearly mentioned you'll be getting the points for completing the badges. But in this special, that is a Journey Made Easy, it is a work meet play series, you have to complete all the series to earn the points. If you miss a single series, you won't be getting the points. So next topic is that most people are asking, if you want to subscribe, means if you want to participate in arcade now, can you really participate in the arcade now? Yes, you can participate, because only first 2 months have completed. Means the arcade program started from January and will be ending on June. You will be having multiple times. There will be some arcade facilitator events which will help you to earn more cool cloud goodies. Okay, more Google Cloud goodies which will help you to enhance your skills and get better products also. So that time also you can participate. There is not an issue regarding it, right? And do not worry, I will be updating everything in the channel. You have to just stay tuned in the channel and complete all the challenges. And the most important thing, make sure you fill this subscription form. It's very simple how to do it. Let me just show you. You have to click on subscribe here and make sure you are signed into your Cloud Skills Boost account. Means the account with which you have completed the labs. You have to come to your profile, go to the settings, scroll down a bit. Wait a second. And first of all, I hope your profile is public already. In case it is not, click on this checkbox like this and just click on update settings. Now the page will reload. Just scroll down again and just right click over here and just copy the link and save it for future reference. Now here in the subscription form, you have to enter the email address. Which email address? The email address which is listed over here on your Cloud Skills Post. Okay. So you have to just add your email address, click on next, and then just click on these two checkbox and simply submit it. You'll be getting the same copy response with whatever you have filled in this form. In simple words, you'll be getting the same form on your register mail ID. Okay. There you can easily see whatever details you have filled, and mostly you have filled only email address and just click on the two checkbox. So this is how you are subscribed, and if you face issue like you are unable to find the form copy response, you can just check the spam section. Okay, you can just check the spam section and make sure to fill the subscription form, because if you do late and the Arcade Insider emails are triggered, then mostly you'll be getting the Arcade Insider email in April, not in March, because they have a specific deadline. So if they trigger the mail today, for example, if they trigger the mail today, that is on 1st of March, and just scheduled to send it by 2nd of March, then mostly people who have subscribed to Arcade today won't be getting the mail. So I'm suggesting it, just fill the form. Let's see what will be the update and what will be the mail criteria. As of now, Arcade Insider email will be coming in March, and new games will be also launching in March. You'll be having multiple times to earn more arcade points. Stay tuned in the channel, do like the video and subscribe the channel. I hope it clears every doubt, and stay tuned till the end.